My virtual learning hub. My second home for best students.
Hello, viewers. You are welcome once again to the next episode of our number basis. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to look at addition and subtraction of number bases. And this is the fourth part of our items on the list. Now, when you are adding and subtracting number bases, you just have to be careful by employing the right techniques so that you can get your answers correct. Now, without wasting time, let us look at some examples. These are the questions. Evaluate the following. A. 11001 base 2 plus 10111 base 2. B. 234 base 5 minus 141 base 5. C. 343 base 5 plus 123 base 5. D. 312 base 5 minus 232 base 5. E. 513 base 7 minus 361 base 7. And so come with me as I take you through the workings. Okay, so question number 1. We are adding the following in base 2. Now, 1 plus 1 is 2. But since we are dealing with base 2, we have to make sure that no number is 2 or more. So immediately you get 2 or more, you have to divide by 2 and take the remainder as an answer. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Since we are dealing with base 2, we divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Remainder 0. So it simply means 1, 0. So what we need to write is the first number, which is 0. Then we carry the second one to the next stage. All right, don't forget we are working in base 2, so the 2 should be there. Now the next stage, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. So we still need to write the 0, then we carry the first number to the next stage. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 go into 2, 1, remainder 0. So we write the 0, then we carry the 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 go into 0, 1, remainder 0. So we write the remainder, and we carry the number here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 2 go into 3, 1, remainder 1, which means 1, 1. So since it is the final stage, what we do is that we write all the numbers. So your answer is 110000 base 2. And like I always say, if you are dealing with base 2, base means under. So base 2 means under 2. So our answer should fall between 0 and 1. And that is exactly what we can see there. I hope you understand. Now let us look at the B. The B says we are to work out 234 base 5 minus 141 base 5. This time we are doing subtraction. So don't forget, since we are dealing with base 5, our answer should fall between 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 4 minus 1 is 3. We can write 3 because it is not up to 5. Now, 3 minus 4, it can be. It can be. We can't take away 4 from 3. So we borrow 1 from 2. Remember 1. Since we are dealing with base 5, the one we are borrowing is coming in as 5. Take note. So the one, even though we have borrowed 1, it is coming as 5. That is what happens when we are doing subtraction in number bases. Any number you borrow is equivalent to the base. So you borrow 1, it represents the 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 take away 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't use 0 to begin numbers in number bases, so we leave it like this. So our final answer is 4, 3 base 5. I hope you understand. Now let us look at the C. With the C, we have 3, 1, 2 base 5 minus 2, 3, 2 base 5. We are dealing with base 5. Don't forget, no answer should be 5 or more. Our answer should be between 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2 minus 2 is 0. We write our base. 1 minus 3, it can't be. So we need to borrow 1 from the 3, leaving 2. Since it is base 5, that one is coming in as 5. The one we are borrowing is equivalent to the base. So 5 is coming, but there is 1 here. So when we add 1 to the 5, we get 6. So 6 take away 3 is 3. So our final answer is this, because 2 minus 2 is 0. We can use 0 to begin. Now let us look at the D. The D is 3, 4, 2, base 5 plus 1, 2, 3, base 5. This time we are adding. So how do we go about it? 2 plus 3 is 5. And we want 5 in base 5. 5 in base 5, it means 5 will go into 5, 1, remainder 0. So we write a 0, leaving the 1. So we carry the 1 to the next stage. So if that one appears here, then 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 5 will go into 7, 1, remainder 2. So we write a 2 here, then we carry the 1 up. That one appears here. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1, 5. 5 will go into 5, 1, remainder 0. So we can write 1, remainder 0. And this becomes our final answer. Now let us look at the E. The E is 5, 1, 3, base 7. Take away 3, 6, 1, base 7. Very simple. So let's see. Don't forget, when we are dealing with base 7, it means under 7. Apart from 0, under 7 has numbers ranging from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if we get answers within this side, we can write. But anything beyond this is not possible. So 3 minus 1, is 2, base 7. 1 minus 6, it can't be. So there is a need for us to borrow 1 from the 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. That one is coming in as 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So our final answer is 1, 2, 2, base 7. Hello students, I hope you have understood very well the addition and subtraction of number bases. Indeed, it is not difficult. The only thing you have to pay attention to is that anytime you are subtracting in number bases, whatever you borrow is equivalent to the base. And so you just have to pay attention to it. And anytime you are adding in number bases too, if you add and it gets to 5 or more, you have to divide so that you use the remainders whilst you carry the main number along. Okay, and so let me give you an assignment so that in your own comfortable time, you can also try your hands on it. And immediately you finish, drop your answers in the comment box. Like I said, this platform is for learning. And so make sure you do your assignment in order to equip yourself on it. Now let's take the assignment. Evaluate the following. Number 1, 624 base 7 plus 354 base 7. Number 2, 3201 base 4 minus 2312 base 4. Number 3, 141 base 6 plus 233 base 6 minus 102 base 6. D, 3121 base 4 minus 2314 base 4. Number 5, 437 base 8 plus 75 base 8. Now it will interest you to note that, or to know that, most of the questions we are solving are WASI past questions. And so as you take the assignment, you are also practicing your hands on the WASI past questions. And that is the best thing to do. And so join us in our next meeting as we take the fifth part of number basis, which is finding the missing numbers. In that episode, I will take my time and take you through systematically how you can find the missing numbers. And I hope you understand it better. Thank you.
My virtual learning hub. My second home for best students.